Hell hustle flurry. Think the dates of the Strath have returned. Another city world with rough weather on the way. Hell hustle flurry. Water up to 560 days for Strath Inn. Serial nature. This just goes to show how wrong this is with our society. Just all wrong. Wow, look at that. I never thought this was Tyson to the days of the Strath Inn. Look like some of the fish. Hell hustle furry. I said we should take Sarah Palin and then walk her in a dumpster and ship her off to Australia. So I think that's plain cool to us. I mean, have beer wanting fresco beer of Australia. Is that pure torture for their people? Why should another corrupt politician their way? I just want to stop those Republicans' reign of terror. Celebrate America. Celebrate that mighty nation. Celebrate America. Sea to shy sea. Celebrate America. Different place for this great nation. Celebrate America. Land of the free. Celebrate America. Celebrate this mighty nation. Celebrate America. Sea to shy sea. Celebrate America. Different place for this great nation. Celebrate America. Land of the free. Set tide America. And see it to LA. Set tide America. This is what we say. Celebrate America. Celebrate this mighty nation. Celebrate America. Sea to shy sea. Celebrate America. Different place for this great nation. Celebrate America. Land of the free. The land of the free. The land of the free. The land of the free. Someone said of the people before you who came before you, America, America, of the people, of the land of the free, of the people who came before you, America, America. And my brothers are all black and white and yellow too, and all of the red, the establishment of freedom and peace, establishment of freedom and peace, America. And no matter as far as they roam, cause no matter cause it's home sweet home, America, America, home sweet home, America.